order specifically for oral temperatures because they just didn't like it. They didn't trust it as much. So then they said, well, this is silly.
Right.
I know, when you put yourself on monitors, it's scary.
I'm gonna put this little thing down here.
Shush! Be quiet.
Okay, be nice.
We're gonna do it 20 seconds of no talking, nothing, and then we're gonna be done with this. Do you understand?
There's some other hospital sounds in here. You can listen to the anesthesia hospital sounds.
Okay, stop it.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Very good. Can I take it off your arm entirely?